Today's review is on the new Tomica Premium Takara Tomy Mall exclusive, the Toyota Supra in red, which you can also find in Tomica shops in Japan. Behind is the regular Supra, which was released in 2017, which I did a comparison with the Mini GT version. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. You can see that Tomica Premium revamped their packaging over the years. The new packaging shows more views of the casting itself. Although the old packaging doesn't, it still looks very premium. And now let's take a closer look at the Toyota Supra in red. The Supra is looking very sharp and very awesome. As usual, superb paint job from Takara Tomy. I love the sort of the maroon red color on the body with high gloss finish. I like the front, although the rear light is just livery. The overall looks very detailed. The spoiler is another component is plastic, which has matching color as the body, and it's awesome. The front is highly realistic with the plastic insert headlights, which is the winner. And not forgetting, the Supra has opening doors unlike the recent mainline, which is great. And when compared with the regular release 2 years ago, everything is the same except for color variation. But nevertheless, they make a great pair and looks good side by side. Overall, I'm very pleased with the Tomica Premium Supra. It looks realistic, looks great with plenty of details. More features coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!